Hello guys and welcome to another video. I'm Joel. So today we have with us Zouk Rocker Thunder Double XL XXL. It's a party speaker with a karaoke setup. So today in this video we would be having a look at this party speaker. So let's go ahead and unbox this speaker. So this is the box and over here we have the specifications of this speaker. You can pause and have a look at the specifications, and here we have the accessories that is present inside the box. You can have a look at this too. And moving towards this side, we again have some features of this speaker. You can have a look, you can pause this video and have a look at this too. Now let's unbox it. So this is what we get in the box. We get a user manual, then we get a remote with this, we get a warranty card, we get a auxiliary cable, then we get a charger with this. This is the charger which we have, and finally we get a mic with the box. So this is the Zouk Rocker Thunder Double XL. So here we have the light, and here we have the speaker, and we have tweeter over here. Over to the side we have nothing, and here we have the trolley hook, and for that we also do get the wheels over here. All the controls of the speaker are to the back of the speaker. Here we have the volume, and here we have a small screen. Here we can insert a card. Here we have USB port, the auxiliary port. Here you have mode switch, forward and backward switch. Here we have the pause, the record option. We have the microphone option, and towards down we have the control to adjust the treble, control to adjust the bass. And here these two are the controls for the mic. This is to control the mic volume, and this is to control the echo of the mic. And here we can connect the mic with the wire. Here we have the 9-volt charging point. Here we have the power on and off button. Here we have the option to switch on the LED lights which are at the front. Here we have these 12-volt input also. So these are the functions which are present in the back of the device. Now talking about the output of the speaker, it's a 70-watt speaker, and the battery which is present inside is an 1800 milliamp hour battery, which I feel for a 70-watt speaker is quite less. Let's see about the battery life. And the power input is a 9-watt 1.2 amp input. It's designed in France and made in China. So now I've connected my phone to the speaker through Bluetooth. So now let's play a song and check it out. I've set the speaker's volume at 50%, and the bass I've set it at 100% and the treble at 50%, so you can check it out. as you have heard the music playback from the speaker and the playback from the karaoke setup, and also the output via the mic. So now I would like to share my final verdict on this speaker, my final thoughts. What are my thoughts, the good things and the bad things about the speaker? I'm making this part of the video, this final part of the video, a month after I had unboxed this. So as you can see, I've got longer hairs, so that's right, that's a proof. So now talking about the final verdict, the thoughts, my thoughts on this speaker. So let's start with the build and design. Talking about the build, it's built quite sturdy. It's made completely out of plastics, to be honest, hard plastics, and it feels kind of sturdy for the price that you pay. I wouldn't complain regarding the build. And yeah, it's completely made of plastic, and this part is not made of plastic. This is made of kind of metal material. And here you have the branding, the Zouk branding. So yeah, the build is sturdy and I have no complaints with the build quality. I mean, it could have been better, but yeah, for the price I wouldn't complain. It's made of hard plastic. And now talking about the design. I'm kind of happy with the design. I wouldn't say that this design is bad. So I'm not a fan of that DJ lighting which they call, which is present in the down part of the speaker. They call it the DJ lighting, but I feel it's kind of low-key. Yeah, so I'm not a fan of that DJ light there. And other thing, talking about the ergonomics of this speaker, basically the design of the speaker. So the controls of the speaker are to the back of it. So every time when you have to change the control or change the volume or increase the treble or the bass, you just have to look back and change. You just can't change like this. You might end up changing some other controls of it. So that's one con I felt about this. I mean, I felt that the controls could have been on the top, and the ports, the mic port or the charging ports could have been in the back. The other controls of the mic can be to the top or to the side. So that's a small con, but that's not a big con, to be honest. And talking about moving the speaker around, you get two wheels in the bottom, and you get this trolley hook kind of thingy where you can lift it up and pull it, move it around. But and there is also a hook to keep the holder. Yeah, there is a hook, but I didn't get the holder in the box. Yeah, so I don't know why, but yeah, I didn't get the holder in the box. There is just the hook. So it's kind of hard to, carry it around. But you can just use this trolley thingy and pull it, move it around. So that's about the build and design of the speaker. Now talking about the functionalities of the speaker, the features of the speaker, I'm satisfied with the functions that it provides at this price. It's a Bluetooth speaker, it comes with a karaoke setup, a 70-watt speaker, and you get to adjust the treble, the bass, and for the mic you get to adjust the echo also. So I'm satisfied with the features that it offers. Now talking about the quality of the sound quality or the music playback quality of the speaker. Again, I wouldn't say it's the best. I wouldn't say it's bad. It comes in a decent way. The sound quality is decent. It's good. One con that I noticed about the speaker or the music playback is that the bass is quite less for the speaker. I mean, this huge speaker, I felt you need some good bass. There is one tweeter over there, but the bass, even if I can adjust the bass, even if I set it at 100%, the bass isn't that good. And talking about the treble, it works fine, it's good, but only the bass, that's the small issue. And talking about the volume, yes, it is 70 watt and it really goes very loud. And I didn't set it up at the full volume and play it all the time because it could disturb the neighbors out there. So I kept it at 50 or 60 or maybe 40%, and it was enough to play in my home. So the volume, and even after setting it up at 100%, I didn't face any voice distortion or any lag or any issues with the voice, any issues with the music playback also. So I'm pretty much satisfied with the audio quality of this speaker. I mean, for the price that you pay, I mean, it's fine, it's decent, it's good for the price that you pay for. And now talking about the mic. So you can connect two mics with the speaker, one wireless and one with wire. So this is the wireless wired one. I can connect it towards the back, and this is not the one which comes in the box. This is one from Ahuja. So this is the wired one, and the voice quality via this mic, both the mics is the same. There is no change in the quality between wireless or the wired one. The quality in both are the same. You can adjust the echo and you can adjust the volume. And regarding the quality of the voice via the mic, I'm really satisfied. It's adequately loud and it's good also for singing too. I'll just show you this. Hello.
Mic testing, 1, 2, 3. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon.
Yeah. So one small con I felt about this mic, both the mics, it doesn't matter if it's wired or wireless. So the normal mics, which you might know, even if you hold it this close, the system will catch that voice. But here, even if you hold it this close, it wouldn't catch. You need to hold the mic closer. I'll show it to you. Hello, 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 hello,
Hello, hello.
So you have to hold it quite close for the speaker to get or identify the voice. So that's a small con that I felt. So you just have to hold it very close to your mouth. And talking about the mic that you get within the box. So this is the wireless one. It says Zook, and it works on 2 batteries. Talking about the build, I am not that satisfied with the build of this mic. It's very light, and this is the switch to turn it on or off. You can see it's wobbling in this way. Now it's on, and it keeps on wobbling in this way. And apparently there was one light here, a green color light, which would lit up when you switch it on. But that light is gone. It's somewhere inside. Get it? Yeah. And the quality via this mic is almost the same. It's the same as the wired one.
Hello.
Yeah, so in terms of karaoke setup too, it works pretty well, and I'm satisfied with the karaoke setup that this device offers. So now coming to the price, I forgot to mention the price. So this one is priced at rupees 6,000 rupees, 5,999. So it's at that price. It's at 6,000 rupees, and for this price, the features and all which you get, I wouldn't say it's bad. Again, I wouldn't say it's good. It's decent for the price, and I don't think you get any other speakers with this party speakers with this these functionalities at this price. You don't get such good ones as this. So for this price, I would say this is a good speaker, and you can surely check it out if you need. The audio quality is really good. Only the thing is that the bass is quite less, but otherwise it is really good. The Bluetooth connectivity works really well, and the mic and the karaoke setup, and that also works well. Build quality is decent. So it's overall a good package from Zook, and I'm really happy with this product. And okay, I forgot to mention about the battery life. So it comes with a 1800 milliampere battery, and the battery life, I didn't test it properly, but then as far as I've tested, the battery life is really good. I didn't face any issues with the battery life. It worked really fine, and charging time, it takes a couple of hours to charge. Yeah, it's not any sort of fast charging. It's a 9-volt charger. It takes quite its own sweet time to charge the speaker, and the battery life is good. It's decent. So if you want to buy the speaker, I leave the link to purchase it in the description box below. You can surely check it out. And any queries about the speaker, you can leave it in the comment section below, and I would be answering to it via the comments. And also again, the link to purchase it is in the description box below. The best deal is in the description box below. You can surely check it out. And I hope this unboxing video, this small review of this speaker would have been helpful to you guys. And if you like this video, hit the like button, share this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my new videos. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you in my next one. Have a nice day.